everyone, welcome back to Citadel Server's guides and tutorials. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect on your Necesse server. This game is a sandbox survival game that combines exploration, base building, and combat in a pixel world. You gather resources, craft gear, build settlements, and fight bosses while expanding your colony. If you don't have a server yet, you can quickly grab one by heading to the Necesse game hosting page on citadelservers.com/gameservers/Necesse hosting. Discover the server features and click on Configure and Order Now. Alright, now we've got that covered, let's go ahead and jump into the main tutorial. Now head over and log into your game panel. Once here, make sure your server is up and running before connecting. After that, highlight and copy the IP and port of your server. Next, head over to Web Console since the world requires initial setup on server startup. Place the corresponding commands here in the Web Console. You can either create a new world or not. For me, I would like to create a new world. To create a new world, just type your preferred world name in the command tab. You need to fill up these options for your world settings. Place your server port here, then press enter once done placing. Next, place your current server slot that you've purchased and press enter. Then after that, you can place a server password if you want to. If not, just leave it as blank. Next, you can also place your preferred seed for your server. For me, I'll leave this as a blank for getting random seed. Since I want to have a guide, I will press Y to answer as yes, then enter. Make sure to check the version of your server and the game itself to avoid the client version mismatch issue. Since we're done setting up your server's world, we can now join on the server. Now head over to the Necesse client. Once here, click on the Play Multiplayer option. Next, click on Add Server to create new server entry. Enter the corresponding server details you want. Enter your preferred server name. Next, paste the IP that you copied earlier in this IP address box. And then, place the port of your server in this port number box. Now click on Add button and this will be added in your list. Click on the server that you've created, but press the Join Server button. Enter your server password if you have any. Select or create a new character depending on your preferred character selection. Once done with the character selection, you should now be able to join on your server. And as you can see, I'm now in the server. Moreover, there's an alternative option to connect on your server by doing the direct join method. To do that, head over back on this Join a Server menu. Then click on the Direct Join button. Here you can just place the IP and port of your server. Then click on Connect button to join on your server and character selection will show up again. Select your preferred character, and that's it. You've successfully connected on your Necesse server. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials here on the channel. Citadel servers also have a knowledge base where you can find more detailed guides and tutorials by heading to citadelservers.com/client/knowledgebase. If you need help, Citadel servers offer 24/7 live support, and you can also submit a support ticket if you run into any issues. Thanks for watching, and peace out.